My best accessory of every day, my hair. Curly hair girlies. After a certain day, the hair is just so knotted. You can't brush it because if you brush it, it's going to be super frizzy. You could just put it in a bun and sleep on it for the next day. But I don't want to do that because that's mistreating my hair. So I'm going to very gently brush my hair and then I'm going to put it in an overnight heatless curl band for the hair tomorrow. Keep watching. I'm going to use some Rejuvenique oil, the Rejuva beads, and I'm going to brush through it with my hands and I'm going to brush it with my hair and then I'm going to put it in heatless overnight curls for tamed up curl tomorrow. I usually only put a couple of drops of the Rejuvenique oil and 1 pump of the Rejuva beads, but today because I am detangling, I put a little bit more. I used to lose a lot of hair, but now I don't. My hair is pretty long, so this is not a lot considering how much I used to lose. I think we lose between 50 and 100 strands a day. It's very common. For the curly hair girls that you know you can't brush your hair, this is what happens when you brush your hair. It gets super frizzy. So it's either I have to blow dry it and I don't want to blow dry it because of perimenopause. I do the dry heatless curls or I just have it curly, but I had to keep it in a bun because of a medical emergency. I was in the hospital and I just had it up and so I couldn't care for it the way I normally would. So today this is what we're doing. I just recently put the thinning drops, so that's why it's a little bit damp, but that's gonna dry. And now I'm going to use the Frizz Fix Smoothing Hair Primer. I'm gonna do it on this. Ideally, you have a little mist of water and wet it a little bit, but I'm gonna do it on dry hair today. This is the very lazy way. I don't go up, I just go straight to the side. See you tomorrow. This is my day after. I am going to undo my curls. only thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna style the top with a dryer, just this part right here. One sec. And that is how we bring a curly frizzed hair overnight to a nice wavy style the next day. All right, so I used Frizz Fix Soothing Hair Primer, okay? After having done the nighttime routine with the Rejuvenique oil and the Rejuva bead, split and mender together for the bottom half of my hair, and then the hair thinning defense for the top. How it looks in the back. And the side. On the side. And my favorite way to wear it is like this. However, as a grandma, I have to put it in the back. Now, if you find that you get little flyaways, which I don't think I have many, you can put a little bit of oil over the top. Just one tiny little drop. Okay. And it's not going to sit on your hair. It's just going to give it shine. And you can apply it. And the good thing is I use this oil every day and it doesn't make my hair oily. Like I used to use I have it here, I found it, Olaplex product. That's how much I used it. And it would weigh my hair down. This does not weigh my hair down. This is what I love about these products. So this is it. Oh, the another thing that you could do if you like is use their hairspray. I don't always like to use hairspray, but sometimes the hairspray can also help settle your hair. You know, it kind of sets it in place. I actually wore this hairspray one of the days with my curly hair since my last wash, and I was able to brush through it just fine. So if you are interested in these products, I use all the Monet products that I can use. You want me to help you find the products that are good for your hair? Check the link down below. I'm off to grab mine for the day. Bye.